Ever wondered about the complexities behind creating a product from scratch and then launching it into the vast digital marketplace? It's a journey filled with intricate steps, from the initial design phase to the final sale. Today, we will delve into this intriguing process. Picture this. The first step is an idea. It's that spark of creativity that sets the ball rolling. This idea could be anything: a new type of clothing, a tech gadget, a piece of furniture, or even a unique blend of spices for the culinary enthusiasts out there. The key is to identify a gap in the market and come up with a solution that fills it. The second step is the design phase. This is where the idea takes shape. It involves sketching, prototyping, and refining the product until it meets the envisioned standards. It's essential to focus on the user experience here, ensuring the product is not only functional but also appealing. Next comes the testing phase. This is where you gather feedback and make necessary alterations. It's crucial to test the product in real-world scenarios to ensure it meets the needs of potential end users. This phase often involves a few iterations before the product is ready for the market. With the product finalized, it's time to think about pricing. This is a critical aspect that can make or break the success of the product. It's crucial to consider factors like production costs, competitor pricing, and the perceived value of the product. Once the pricing is set, the focus shifts to branding and marketing. This includes creating a compelling story around the product, designing an appealing logo, and crafting an effective marketing strategy. Social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization are just a few tools that can help your product reach the target audience. And now, the final step: selling the product online. This could be through an e-commerce platform or a dedicated website. It's important to provide detailed product descriptions, high-quality images, and an easy checkout process to ensure a smooth customer journey. In summary, designing and selling a product online is a multi-step process. It begins with a unique idea, followed by designing and refining the product, setting the price, and marketing it effectively. The journey concludes with selling the product online, ensuring a smooth customer experience. This process requires a blend of creativity, strategic thinking, and a keen understanding of the digital marketplace. It's not just about creating a product, but about creating a product that people need, want, and are willing to pay for. It's about turning that initial spark of an idea into a successful online venture.